This video will show you how to replace the lock on a Series 100 cash drawer. Open your drawer and remove the tilt. Your drawer part ID will start with a T. Your lock set part number must be PK-408LS. This kit will include a lock shell surrounding the lock plug with 2 keys and the lock pin. To remove the inner drawer, lift up and then pull straight out towards you with a good firm tug. If you are unfamiliar with the inner drawer removal, please view our Series 100 plus Series 4000 inner drawer removal video. Turn the inner drawer upside down to access the lock. This is the lock pin. Using a small flathead screwdriver, pull out the lock pin. Then, pull the lock set out through the drawer front. Insert the new lock, then install the lock pin. Once the pin is in place, the lock is secure. Reinstall your inner drawer and your task is complete.